With all the appointments you have to remember, it's good to know the date of your next BMW service isn't one of them. Your BMW's condition-based service sensors continually monitor fluid levels such as engine oil and wear and tear components such as brake pads. So if a service is needed, your car sends us the relevant data via an automatic BMW TeleService call to your preferred BMW sensor. Once they've analysed the data, they call you to arrange an appointment. The BMW sensor uses this information to prepare for your visit. They'll order any required parts, so they'll be available when you arrive, helping you to avoid any unnecessary delays. Having to remember when your vehicle's due for a service is a thing of the past. We'll do the remembering for you.